Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can use your Walmart promo code. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. And after opening your browser, on the search bar, search walmart.com. After typing walmart.com, click on enter. And then this will lead you to the official website of Walmart. So after this, make sure that you are logged into your account and then you can start your shopping journey. Here I'm going to buy this phone case. Simply just click on it. Here you can see there are a lot of phone cases option, from which I'm going to click on this one and simply just click on this button. And then here you can see the option buy now. Click on buy now. And then here you can see there are a lot of things that you need to fill. So to fill your information, simply just click on them. And here you can see there are a lot of things that you need to fill: your first name, last name, street address, and the city that you live in, your phone number, and many more. So after filling all of those, here you can see your billings, and here you can see your total price too. So in order to enter your promo code, what you have to do is click on this button that you see, have a promo code. Simply just click on this arrow that you see, and then here enter your promo code. And after entering your promo code, here click on apply. And after clicking on apply, your promo code will work and your estimated total will be shown in here. And that is how you can use your promo code on your Walmart. Very simple and easy process, right? If you guys like this video, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.